Hi friends, it's Shanna here for part 2 here at Old World Antiques in Grange. I just shared a segment where we popped into the warehouse in back to give you a look there because they were just getting ready to close that up. And now we'll take a look from out front and then we'll step inside so you can see all that's inside that you are going to really enjoy. So I'll spin around so you can see the doors and whatnot behind me and just get a sense for what the outside looks like from the road, and then we'll go in and get a look. All right, so Old World Antiques, how you'd view it coming in, and the barn here with all the doors that I'll just give you a peek at before we go in. See if I can turn a corner here. Enjoy the maze. Actually, let's take a look here. Maybe I'll back up so the light's a little better for you. Look at these. Beautiful. Oh, look at these. Okay, beautiful here too. So you get a sense, you can kind of go down the aisles here and see all kinds of wonderful doors. Look at this. All right, so let's go inside and we'll circle around and show you what's inside. Okay, so in we go. And here we are. Okay, let's start out in this direction. And there we have that. So, much to see. And I'll just stand actually at this doorway. This was the doorway I came in. So we'll just do a little circuit through so you can enjoy all that's here. Oh wait, I love this. A little bit of a twirl. So many beautiful vignettes. Oh, hang on. Let's see if we can get the lights on the other side. Okay. Let's see. I'm still here. Going to almost done. Can I get the light on the other side real quick, or? Okay. Yeah. Just thanks so much.
Sebastian,
yeah.
Wilbert said you could go ahead and get
There we go.
He's already walked out.
Oh, okay.
Let's get a view here. And then we'll just quickly go around the other side. Oh, and look at this. This was pointed out to me. A converted cello case. So fun. And this, I just wanted you to see this back here too. Look. Here at Old World Antiques in Grange. Their main location. You also find them at the compound and at Blue Hills at the Round Top shows. But look. Old World Antiques. Mostly European, as I understand, but also India, Egypt, Turkey. I love this. So anyway, a place obviously that you'll enjoy greatly, and so much treasure and beauty here. Here, Old World Antiques. So enjoyed having opportunity to bring you through. I guess we'll sign off for now. Shanna, shop glorious day here in Grange at Old World Antiques. Bye for now.